Hi everyone, it's me, Alexis Hart. Um, I am a sophomore here at the U. Right now, my major is undeclared. I would love to go into BME, which is business and marketing, but I am in a different college, so hopefully I'll get a transfer and I'll get to be in the major that I would love to be in. So today I came to talk to you guys about basically who I want to be and who am I in my life. So if we were talking about a little background about my life. So I come from a family of two siblings. I was raised in Kansas City, Missouri. I'm not from here. Sports was always my life, but that's another story. I play volleyball here at the U actually, and it's one of the reasons why I came here, but also for the business program, I love it. And it's kind of something that I look into and I get into a bigger connection with day by day. Um, Something about my life also is that I don't know, I've grown up a lot, especially since I've came from high school to college, and I feel like I've seen it a lot. So for me, my strengths are being very positive and very inclusive and helping people, and then my weaknesses are kind of the same because I feel like people overuse them, and then I kind of get taken advantage of. But most of the time, my positives are my strengths, so normally they're not negatives. So, like I said earlier, who am I? Or like, who are you? And for me, that's really important because I feel people don't really talk about who they are in college, or if they do get asked, you're kind of like, I don't know. So, like, kind of like, what's your personal branding? And for me, it's really three important things, which is faith, family, and the process. So, going back to faith has really been a strong thing for me because, without God, that's, something I've always grown up with. That's who I look to with all the struggles and with all the achievements in my life. That's who I leaned on. And so in my life, that's something that's really big with me. And I carry on through my life to help me become the person that I am today. Um, with family, it kind of gets different because, my family has always been there for me. Yes, so in high school, you know, I kind of was the type of girl who always, would hang out more with her friends and her family. But once I hit college, it became more important to me. My best friend now is my sister. Like we were close, but not as much as now. And then my mom, I talked to my mom more than anything. My mom was always um, she was kind of like a lead, like a role model to me. Actually, she's one of the reasons why, which I'll talk about later, why like I wanted to get into business. Not because she forced me, but or like she kind of said like just threw it at me, but like it was something that I just enjoyed. And watching her as I grew up, becoming to the woman that she is, I just love the type of worth ethic and like culture and like energy that business brings. And so for me, that's something that I really like. And I don't know, I just, something that really brings important to me is that, yeah, these are my three favorite important things. And yeah, I really want to go into business. But honestly, if someone would ask me, what do I want to be? I don't know. But I do know that I do want to go into the business program or that type of field and find the type of, field that I want to work in for the rest of my life or like be one of my careers. Maybe I could work in one career, maybe I have multi careers, triple, I don't know. But for right now, I'm kind of just testing the water, and I actually liking it because I'm, taking a few business classes, so it's pretty well. And so for the process, this is a really, really big thing with me because the process isn't how people think it is. It's the process that I've used throughout my life. It's really important because it's not only talking about just the process itself, but in everything. So for me, like I said, volleyball is really big to me right now, and it's something that is really important. And so for me, the process of me becoming the volleyball player that I want to become and the goals that I have to go through the process in order to get to where I want to be. For school, I have to go through the process of changing majors in order to become the young woman that I want to be in the work field that I want to become in. I don't know, process has always just seemed something that, you know, strikes to me just because it's not only just talking about the process, but what are you going to do during the process? And so now in college, we really stress on it on our team, the process of not focusing on the results, but the process of, really taking it. Are you doing 100%? And I feel like focusing on the process will help me further on in my future in my career. Overall, I feel like for my personal brand, I don't know what it really is, but I know the direction and like where I want to head to. And, throughout my life, I know that even if, the business job that I don't get that I want, that the process was there and I really worked hard and that I'm going to get something else I know I could probably get. And so something that, I don't know, I guess I want them to take from my video is that there's three things that's really important to me, which is faith, family, and process. And without it, I don't know how I would be here. And with these three, it's going to help me become the young woman that I want to be and the person that I want to be in for the business field. And that is all I have for you guys. Thank you.